In yet another incident of drugs seizure, a team of Karbi Anglong police in collaboration with CRPF jointly intercepted a car in suspicion of smuggling drugs at Delhi. Here is a report. On acting upon the specific intel input from its sources, Karbi Anglong Police and CRPF jointly set up a check gate at Delhi Tri-Junction on Monday. On suspicion, a car Hyundai i10 model bearing registration number MN01AK3721 was intercepted. The team rigorously searched the vehicle and recovered 15 soap boxes of drugs comprising of 194.88 grams of suspected heroin from their possession. In this connection, the two individuals were apprehended. They were identified as Peter Haukip, age 30, from Churachandpur, Manipur, and Kim Julei, age 27, from Kangkokpi, Manipur. The drugs were examined using drugs detection kit and later it was confirmed to be heroin. The examination of drugs was done under the supervision of John Das SDPO, Bokachang. The operation was carried out collectively by OC Delhi SI UB, Lutfur Rahman IC, Lahorijan PP SI UB, Deba Pratim Konwar, SI UB, Deepak Lahon, SIP, Akash Gogoi, ASI, Jiten Gogoi, CRPF C20 Camp Bokachang, and Delhi PS. Anand Report from Delhi, Karbi Anglong Live.